In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your commute in Google Maps. We'll do this in the web version of Google Maps, and I'll walk you through each step so your daily trip is just a click away. Start by opening Google Maps in your web browser and signing in to your Google account. Being signed in is important because it keeps your preferences, like home and work, synced across devices, and it makes your commute setup reusable anytime. Next, look to the top left corner of the map for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. Click that to open the sidebar. From there, choose Saved. This is where Google keeps places you've starred, lists you've created, and most importantly for this setup, your labeled places. In the Saved page, go to the Labeled tab. Here you should see Home and Work. Make sure both addresses are set. If one is missing or outdated, click it to add or edit. Use the full street address so maps can route you precisely, and pick the correct location from the suggestions to avoid nearby duplicates. Once Home and Work are in place, click the Directions button. It's usually a blue diamond icon with an arrow. In the Directions panel, set Home as your starting point and Work as your destination. If you commute the other way at the end of the day, you can reverse the route later with the swap arrows. As you type, Google will autocomplete. Choose the labeled Home and Work entries to keep everything consistent. Now choose your commute type. Along the top, you'll see icons for driving, public transit, walking, and biking. Pick the one you use most. This choice changes the route options you see. For driving, you can open the route options to avoid tolls, highways, or ferries. For transit, you can set departure or arrival times to match your schedule, and maps will suggest the best trains or buses. Walking and biking will favour safer and more direct paths when available. Finally, save or bookmark the route if you want quick access. On the web, the simplest way is to bookmark the directions page in your browser and give it a clear name like Commute to Work. You can also click Share to copy a link and keep it in your notes or calendar. Keep in mind that live traffic and service changes can alter the recommended route, so it's normal if you see slight variations day to day. That's it, your commute is set up and ready whenever you are.